Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing the engine cover with an 8mm socket. Locate ignition coils on each cylinder and label connectors to avoid mixing them up. Use a 10mm socket to remove coil bolts and pull coils straight up to reveal spark plugs, taking care not to drop debris into the wells. After coils are out, clean around each plug well with compressed air to prevent debris fall. Insert a spark plug socket and extension, then break the plug loose with a ratchet, turning counterclockwise until fingers can remove it. Compare each removed plug to check for consistent wear and fouling patterns. If plugs show oil or heavy carbon, consider further engine inspection before installing new plugs to avoid recurring issues. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to get more simple car tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy voice commands while you wrench, play tunes, or set timers for torque steps. It's a tidy way to keep music and instructions nearby without dirtying your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare new plugs by confirming the correct gap and thread size for your Equinox, then apply a small anti-seize if preferred. Hand thread each plug carefully to prevent cross-threading and snug with a torque wrench to the proper 15 FTLB specification. Reinstall ignition coils, secure bolts, and reconnect electrical connectors. Replace the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start the engine to confirm smooth idle and correct operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.